In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install HP LaserJet 1012 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to navigate at the button search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, kindly wait until a best match should appear, and once it's here, click on Open to continue. Now, before you proceed, I have provided you a link at the description box below. All you need to do is you need to copy it. And once you have copied it, navigate directly at here at the Windows search bar, clear it, make a right click and go with paste and click on the enter key so that you would be navigated to the result. Now, in a few moments, you would be able to see this kind of window where the mega folder is getting ready for you. All you need to do is you need to wait until you can see a file that you can download which contains the printer driver for HP LaserJet 1012. And once it's here, please proceed to download, click on it, and choose for download as a zip file. Tap the net and eventually it will be download. So the process would be depend on the network speed that you are connecting as of the moment. All you need to do is you need to wait. In my case, I have already downloaded such, but in your case, if not yet, then please wait. Okay, once downloaded, please copy and paste it here at the desktop. And once you have pasted here at the desktop, you need to double tap to unzip the file, or you can simply make a right click. Okay, and from here go with extract all, or either choose the WinRAR tool to extract this printer driver. Okay, so once a new file folder has been added, meaning you have successfully extracted it, then this is the time that you need to navigate to the start icon, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. Now you can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. Now from here, please navigate to the left pane where you can see a list of the option, and please locate with the option which is called the Bluetooth and devices. So tap on it and eventually you can see this kind of window. Please proceed with printers and scanners and click on add device. So in a few moments, you will be able to get an option where you can manually add your printer driver. Click on it. And from here, you need to choose for other local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of this three USB port. So click on next and go with have disk. Go with browse. And since our newly extracted file has been placed at the desktop, then you need to click on desktop. Scroll down on the list, double tap here, double tap. Okay. And if you have 32-bit PC, then proceed to the first. And if you have 64-bit PC, then proceed to the second. And mostly Windows 11 has 64-bit. So click on Open and click on OK. And eventually it would be placed here. Please select for HP LaserJet 1012. Then click on Next. Go with Next and it will now start in the installation. So kindly wait until this would be finished. Once done, please click on Next. Go with finished, and there you have that you have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet 1012 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So close the window and you're good to go. Now if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.